Mayroon buntag.
Ating aga and magandang umaga.
Yeah. Magandang umaga.
Good morning, guys. It's good afternoon. It's I don't know what time is it. I don't have a watch. Was it
1:30.
1:30 in the afternoon? We're going to watch
Lancaster Banner.
what is it?
Lancaster Banner.
Lancaster Banner.
It is a Second World War airplane.
Right. Ihaharap ko kayo. Tingnan nyo ang daming wild garlic flowers. There you are. Oh, where are they? No. Ito yung may mga dahon na. So yan, of course, si Pepper and si Peanut. Pepper? Pepper? Yan. Peanut din. So, I don't know. I will see you when we get there. Bye for now. Ayan guys. Pakit kami sa bukid. Ayan, may inaayos doon. May ginagawang bahay. At doon kami aakyat. Doon kami nang galing. Nagdala lang ako ng ng tubig at saka I brought some biscuit. And yun. Hi guys, nandito na kami. Naghihintay ng yung Lancaster. What was that? Lancaster Banner. Hinihintay na namin. Marami lumilipad na. No. So yan si Ate Mary. Tsaka yan, maraming tao na doon. Doon naghihintay. Doon pa sa kabila naghihintay. So ayan.
Yeah, I was going to. Look how slowly it's going.
Yan guys. It's coming back? Coming back, isn't it? Ayun, malayo na. Tapos na kaming nanood. Hindi ako gaano nakapag-video. Meron lang konti. Ayan, yung dalawa, init na sila. Ninita, mainit ngayon. Kaya, yan. Pupunta kami sa aming, bahay ng aming kaibigan. They parked there. Bibili si David ng ice cream doon. Hindi ako video kanina. Sabi ni David, gamit daw ng tripod. Tapos yung tripod nakakasagabal. Sana hindi na ako nag-tripod. Hindi ko nakuhanan tuloy ng maayos yung yung dapat videohin ko. Wala. So yun, si David pupunta doon sa Sainsbury's Bibili daw siya ng ano, ice cream. Ayan. Ayun yung dalawa. Naiinitan sila masyado. Baka bilhan niya ni David ng ano, ng ice cream din kasi gustong gusto nila ng ice cream. Or mag-share na lang. Dito na si David, may ice cream. Ice cream.
But you might melt, so we'll have to play for it. That was free.
Yeah.